Hello, hello. So today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite tools in HubSpot, and this is their automation tool called Workflows. So the magic of Workflows is in how it helps you automate repetitive tasks that are costing your team time that they could be better using doing basically anything else. So think about this as an extra hand to help you do those little tasks that bog you down every day. A perfect use case for this would be updating a lifecycle stage based on an action they've taken. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go to the workflows tool here under automation. And I'm going to create a new workflow from scratch. Now, the first thing I do is I always title these. And the way I like to title them is explain exactly what they do. So this is going to set life cycle stage to customer on form submission. Great. So why am I doing this? If a customer fills out a support request form, I want to make sure that their data is updated in HubSpot to reflect the fact that they're a customer. So the first thing I'm going to do is set the enrollment criteria. And a form submission is going to be a website event. So let's go here to form events. And they can interact with a form, they can view a form, but in this case, I want form submissions. And I'm going to make the form our customer support form. Great. Let's hit next, next, and save and continue. Okay. And then the next thing we can do is decide what we want to happen when that event takes place. So what I want to do here is edit some CRM values. So let's do edit record. When in doubt, you're going to see a lot of options, so don't be afraid to use that search bar. And I'm going to edit the lifecycle stage. And I want that to be set to customer. Great. So now I've added this step. So when someone does this step, it should update their lifecycle stage to customer. So you have the option to test it here, which is fantastic. It'll show you exactly the records that'll be affected before you turn it on. So highly recommended. In this case, we're just going to review and publish. You also have the opportunity to enroll contacts who have previously met this criteria or to do it just from this date on. And in this case, I'm just going to enroll contacts who do this from this point on. You can manually enroll them as well. Great. So let's hit next. You can choose things like timing, notifications, etc., connections. You can review the details here. And drum roll, please. We have turned on the workflow. So that's how you do a simple automation in HubSpot.